Hello friends, hope you all are enjoying the late Sunday. Tomorrow was Ganesh Chaturthi, so late congratulations to all the traders and investors who wishes or pray to God that market will be more bullish in upcoming Monday. But I think all of the investors or brokers do not want to be more bullish market to see or to pray in front of God in upcoming days, because some investors or some traders have already taken reverse position in share market, means they sell from future side, they short whenever they are expecting. I am also expecting to forecast about the upcoming storm in share market. It will take some time definitely, but it will, because market is still increasing, still bullish after that 7,700 level in March. So there definitely might be some correction to be more bullish, to chase 12,500 level. If market will take some correction 11,080, I am several times saying that 11,080 will be a good support for Nifty. If it will break 11,080, then more thing can happening, more bullish stock can touch their book value, and massacre will definitely start. We are calling it about the forecast of seeing the storm. Many wise person have already written in many journals about the correction of market. This is very much necessary for beginners, for good investors, for real opportunist trader, to see the market at reverse side, to see the market at correction and exact entry. I have lot of friends, lot of client who have taken good stocks, great stocks I have seen at very high cost, at their all-time high. Let us take the example of Persistent. Persistent is touching all-time high. Persistent, very good stock, software related stock. If you gone through intelligent investors like books, they have written several times, they have cautious their client about those things. Whenever a stock is touching 52-week high and the market is also very much bullish, you should be careful, because in my last video I have told you that be greedy when everyone is fearful. When market was at 7,700 level, all of you think that market will not carry forward his further bullishness. Must with your lot of savings account and lot of money, you will not have the idea to increase it. But market at the time was 7,700 and it is now near about 11,400 or 500. So whenever a stock is touching its book value, or maybe it will lower than its book value, this is the time for investment, like L&T Finance or like many other stocks. There may be from pharma sector, there may be from finance sector, but you are investing at very top and then market will collapse. And my lot of friend, lot of client are saying that we had some money, we have invested, still we are waiting. Whenever you have invested your half of money in Reliance when it was at 1,300 or 1,400 level, and half or rest of your money at 800 level, you will definitely enjoy it. The art of investing you should know. This is my funda, this is my technique to be more fundamentally good. Maybe you are wrong, maybe I am also wrong. No storm will come in share market. Market will go and go for further bullish mode. Little bit correction and then market will create another high. Maybe I am wrong, but you should choose for investment a good stock and good sector. If you are choosing tourism sector for next 1 year, I have several times told those things. There may be some good company, there may be some fundamentals, but you will suffer with your money, and you will say after that, I had some money, in right now I can't book profit, I can book loss, so I am struggling. So exact entry point, you should think about the exact entry point with some little technical things and with much more fundamental things. So don't be pessimistic, keep our analysis going. We will in this weekly analysis course or analysis part, I will diversify my ideas and my analysis in 3 parts. Now I am saying about 2 indices, Bank Nifty and Nifty. I am saying from the beginning that Bank Nifty should touch 25,000, otherwise financial sector will not support Nifty to be more bullish. Maybe there will be some resistance at 23,450 to 23,500. In this level, Bank Nifty should face some resistance, and if we will break it, it can touch 24,000, then it will take another support, and whenever it will touch 25,000, market will come at more bullish mood. Otherwise, you should think a lot about investing. Many of you will say me that avoid finance sector. No, finance is the mother of all sector, but finance sector is much more scandalous also. There are a lot of Nirav Modi, lot of PNB issue, lot of Yes Bank, but if you wish to get some recovery, if you wish to get some money building, you should have invest your worthy rupees, maybe 40% or 30% of your savings to finance sector to be much more bullish. You should follow the trend. Bank Nifty was at 30,000 level. Now it have crossed, it have touched 70,000 level maybe, and then it is in after 20,000 plus level. Now 22,300 I think in last session. So you should wait for Bank Nifty to touch 25,000 level, otherwise you can be so much bullish for investing. And several times I have seen that, and I have said that 11,080 is a good quick support for Nifty. If Nifty break 11,080, then might be there some storm, might be there some correction, another correction mode, and gold is touching almost all time high. It will definitely touch 60,000 10 gram rupees basis. So now it will very near to 52,000. So you should be watchful about investing your all of hard money. You should be selective, and some funda I will share with you, some specific stock also. So at first come to the pharma sector. Many of you have seen such several calls, Lupin 1030C, that kind of call, but Lupin is not at 1000 rupees basis. Lupin should touch 950 to 965 to be much more bullish again. That is about pharma sector. Lupin, that are a lot of pharma, SMS Pharma, I have several times seen. If you have the chance to get SMS Pharma below 90, add and then wait for 100. It will break. If it will break 100, it will definitely touch short time 110 to 115. And if you are a long time holder, if you are an investor, you will definitely get 175 or 170 rupees for SMS Pharma in long term basis. So those two from pharma sector, one is very big giant, Lupin. One is going to be giant, SMS Pharma. So my one of the favorite stock, Voltas, it is too much bullish now. So hope for some correction. Option buyers for Voltas at last Friday was maybe more very happy to see 660 CE level of options, so it's okay. And still I am very bullish about Inox Leisure. Though Inox Leisure have touched almost 325, and you should apply some price action strategy. In next videos I'll discuss about price action strategy. I have some courses about share market. I have some idea about share market. To get some much more idea about stocks and about investing art, you should like and subscribe my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. You will get lot of ideas about investing. So Inox Leisure, you should apply some price action strategy. If you purchase 500 piece with price, maintaining proper price action strategy, you will definitely get 9 or 10 point easily at this day also. You can you should not wait for long time. This is all of short time trading. And again, Make Money Organic maintaining 68.50 as strict stop loss. Make Money will create another history, I think. Those of the two stock, I have told the name of first one, probably Persistent. It's a very good stock, touching a 52-week high, and you should be cautious. If it will make another high, you should invest little of your money. Persistent India. And also Linde India. Linde India, in this stock you should also apply price action strategy. The basic of price action strategy is previous day close, weekly low, previous day low. Those are some some parameters. You should not be master at price action. If you have such basic idea and you are investing with those idea, if you will wait at proper price, you will definitely get 5 to 7 point. If you are invested, if you want to invest at 1000 piece or 500 piece share of those things. So Linde India, Persistent, Inox Leisure, SMS Pharma, and obviously two PSU bank, Canada and PNB. Definitely see, there are 4 bank in finance sector that will after merger will exist: SBI, Canada, Bank of Baroda, and PNB. So there are not lot of opportunity. So invest little bit of your money in PSU banks and good PSU sector like NTPC, like Indian Oil Corporation at 84 or 86 level. If you will get Indian Oil Corporation, definitely it will give you good support, good percentage of return after waiting for 1.5 month. And if you want to take their dividend, if you want to be carry on your relationship with PSU sector like NTPC or IOC, you will be definitely not a loser. PSU sector like NTPC or Indian Oil Corporation will give you lot of things. They will not make you beggar. This is my guarantee from PSU bank sector, from PSU sector like NTPC or IOC. You should be with them for a long time. That will only increase your money. In next video or in my next courses, I will discuss about lot of shares and their esoteric news, about much more fundamental things you should watch, little bit technical also. I prefer to be more fundamentally good at every aspect rather than it. For newcomers, I am saying, rather than a good trader, you should be a good investor in long term basis. Trading is not a crime. Trading is an art. You should achieve it for times, for years. You should give patience. You should be accurate. Then you will be a good trader. But if you want to learn something as a beginner, learn the fundamental of stocks. Learn the fundamental of share market. This is very much important, and be wise to select sector wise stock, to select the sector which will perform. If you predict, you have some logic. Okay, good afternoon friends. If you all are enjoying, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel